Good afternoon, Bat community. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I'm going to do a quick walk-around video for you guys on our 1997 Viper GTS car. This car comes to us from one of our local friends and clients, his pride and joy. And let me tell you, I can tell why. So great. The upgrades on this car are tasteful, but fantastic in my humble opinion. Started with a great car to begin with. This is a car that has not had damage, it has not had bad days, and I don't suspect it will have any in the future. Upgraded with the brakes, the side exhaust, and some other tuning upgrades that make this car just that much better. And believe me, I love it. It's just so much fun to drive, so much power, and it's just strikingly beautiful. Nothing looks like one of these cars, and I think everyone would agree. The bronze wheels really give a nice touch as well. But condition, guys, is just out of this world. The paint is gorgeous, and hopefully you can tell in natural light it looks just liquid on the car. Inside, gorgeous too. Leather, all great. Nothing to remark upon. We've got plastic over the carpets, but they're beautiful as well. Please look at our photographs on this car. We've photographed every square inch, but if you need more, let us know. We're happy to provide more photographs or detailed pictures for you guys, whatever you need. And there you go. We're ending on Friday, and I'll do a cold start in the morning so you can see how it behaves on a cold start, and that's probably all I'll need to do. But like I said, if you need more, let me know and I'll do those too. Take care.